Welcome to CSi Detailer for Safe. This tutorial will give an overview on how to quickly generate reinforcing details for the concrete structures created in the Safe program. CSi Detailer can generate drawings and schedules, including plans and elevations. It works on slabs, beams, columns, and foundations, and it exports to other CAD packages. CSi Detailer's input must come from Safe's design output, and in this tutorial we will use the design generated for a two-way concrete slab consisting of slabs and beam objects. CSi Detailer is accessed directly from within the Safe program by clicking on the Detailing Start Detailing command. However, prior to clicking this command, which will automatically start the detailing process, it is best if we first review a few of the other commands to make sure that the preferences are set appropriately. We start with the main detailing preferences. Here we can select such things as the codes for the detailing and rebar, as well as the mark type. If we click on the slab detailing button, we can control how the slab is detailed. Here we can specify whether curtailment should be by rules or by area of steel. If we select the Detail by Area option, the program will detail all bars or just those above the typical. For this example, we will use the curtailment rules. This tab also allows you to set the scales for various views, the number of sections to be cut, as well as what should be displayed for the rebar calls. The Rebar Selection tab gives us control over the size, number, and spacing of rebar, including the preferred sizes. The Curtailment Rules tab displays the rules for a given code. Similar control is available for other objects, including beams. Next, we will specify the setup for the drawings. We start by selecting a type and size, and in this case we will use an E-sheet, which is 44 by 34 inches. We can also control the scale, text and symbol sizes, as well as the margins. A quick review of the drawing symbols shows all of the default settings, which we will not change. We are now ready to start the detailing. The status of the process scrolls by until the drawings appear. On the far left is the Drawing Explorer, which lists each of the drawings and the accompanying views. We have a total of 7 drawings, including a general sheet, a slab framing plan, a beam framing plan, a slab reinforcement plan, slab sections, and 2 sheets of beam elevations and sections. If we go to the slab reinforcement plan and then zoom in, we can see the rebar marks. Also note that per our preferences, there are 2 sections cut in each direction. Going to the slab section drawing shows these 4 section cuts, A, B, C, and D. If we click on the Edit Slab Section Lines button, we can move these section cuts to different locations or add and delete sections. Here we will move section D so that it lines up with the beam. You can see that the revised drawing shows a deeper section. The section cut has also been updated on the plan views. Additional views may easily be added through the drawing command, including tables and schedules. Schedules show the bar mark, the dimensions, and the shape of the reinforcing. Views may be moved by simply selecting and then dragging. Selecting a view and hitting the delete key causes the view to be removed from the drawing. The beam drawings show the beam elevations and then sections along each elevation. Much of the information in the title blocks comes from the project information command. Individual changes may be done by clicking the Edit Drawing Title button and then entering the text in the title block. Hit the Select button to leave the editing mode. Before we export or print the drawings, we can review various material quantities which can be found under the Tables menu. Once we have reviewed our drawings for accuracy, we can either export them or print them. If we choose to export, we can send them out in either DXF or DWG formats and may choose which drawings to send. If we print the drawings, we may again select which drawings should be printed. The program reminds us that we are working with E-sheets, or 34 by 44 inch drawings. This concludes this tutorial.